Railway exam, Ntpc questions, check the date and shift also. It is 105 previous year railway questions in our channel. Here, what is the value of an expression? Before solving this question, you must learn BODMAS rule. BODMAS, BODMAS rule. Then only you can solve this type of questions. And coming to the question, 11 plus 4, 15. 15 minus 2, 13. 13 2s are 26. 26 plus 2, 28. 28 into 2 7th. 7 4 times 4 2s are 8. So the whole expression value is 8 and it is minus 2. That is 6. Second option. Like the video and subscribe my channel. It is encouraging me to do more number of bits. Thank you.